Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the smiONE app. So let's get started. So here we can see the Google Play Store or iOS Store. You have to follow this easy step. So to install the smiONE app, basically you have to follow these easy steps. So first of all, you will just go to the google.com and will actually search for the smiONE app. So from here we can see the smiONE app. You can directly see, you can directly open it. Okay, so to install it, directly click on the install button here. When you will just click there, it will automatically download and install the app in your device. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.